Hello everybody. Today we have an exciting tutorial for the beginners out there who are just getting started with Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student, professional or just someone looking to enhance your word processing skills, this video is for you. We'll cover the basics and just get you up to speed with this powerful software. So let's dive right in. To begin, you have to just open Microsoft Word. If you're on a Windows PC, you can typically find it in the Microsoft Office folder. On a Mac, it's in the Applications folder. If you are using a Windows, just search it up in the search bar. Once you open Word, this is what the interface looks like. You can see the recent documents that you have made here, and these are some templates that is given by Microsoft Word. You can just click on more templates here, and you can scroll down and see some templates that have been given by Microsoft Word. So like restaurant brochures, fax cover sheets, business reports. So if you want to search up something, just go to this search bar and I'll just type up business, and Word will give you templates regarding business keyword. So it's like home business plans, business cards and all. So let's go back again. For now, create a blank document. Click on the blank document, and this is the interface you will see once you click the blank document. So let's talk about tabs. So these are the tabs that you have in Microsoft Word called home, insert, draw, design, layout, preferences, mailings, review and web. So these are called tabs, and once you click on a tab, for example insert, you will see a ribbon. So this is called a ribbon. So it is organized very well. So each tab has a set of commands related to its category. In insert, this is the pages group, this is the tables group, and this is the illustrations group. So let's go to home tab and just type something here. So these are some paragraphs I just took to reference. Let's resize it. Okay, if you want to type something, just click anywhere and start typing. So here in the home tab, this ribbon and this group called font, you can just go here and select the font size you want. So I'll just use 16. You can just type the font format. I'll just go with Times New Roman. And so you can just, if you want to select a paragraph, you just want to left click on your cursor and just drag the cursor down and select the paragraph. So these are the options called bold, italic and underline and strike through. So first I'm going to click on bold, and once you click on bold, the text you highlighted will be bold. So then next italic, it will be italic. So then the underline option, so I'll just undo that, and this is the strike through. The text will be strike through. After that, these are some effects that you can put on your paragraph or sentence. So just you can select this font color option and just go on, and let's go with red color. You can just put it in red color, and if you want to highlight the text, you can just go on here and select a color. I'll just go with yellow, or I'll just go with blue. I think just go with blue. And if you want an artistic effect like this, you can go just, I'll just go with this effect. Just go to the second paragraph, and this is the option called bullets. You can just select the paragraph and go to the bullets option, and you can click on the bullets library, and you can select a bullet according to your need. Just click on the circle and just click and drag the circle here. For that you can just go to numbering library, and you can just number it out like this, one. So after that you can just go to the current list, and you can just create a list called like section headings and article headings. You can just select that. Let's then dive right into the insert tab. Let's go to the insert tab. So if you want to add a cover page, you can just go here and add a cover page like this. You can just edit to I'll just type tutorial, and you can just edit these document subtitles, and you can just put a title you want. You can just select any type of cover page you want. Click on the blank page button here, and a new blank page will be appear here. If you want to take this paragraph and separate it from the other, you can just hit and enter between these two paragraphs and click on page break. So this is the tables option. You can just go here and create a table. I'll go with 3 by 4, and you can go to any design you want. Let's go with create and okay. So these are some random topics. So you can click on this and go to shading, and you can select a color that you want on the table, and so let's you can select a design if you want any design you like. Here are some designs. I'll just select this. Oh, maybe this one. So after that, let's dive right into the insert again. How to insert and picture. So you can just click on pictures and click on this device. If you have an picture that is on your device right now, have saved an image, you can click on stock images. You can search that, or online pictures you can browse online. So just click on this and go with this Alan Walker's picture right here. So see, I want this picture right up here. Moving the picture is so hard, so what you have to do is don't rush yourself. You just have to click on the picture, and you will see a button called layout option. Just have to press in front of text or behind text. So you just have to click on I'll just click on in front of text, and the picture will be in front of text, so can move it freely like this. Let's go to the insert tab again. You can just add some shapes if you want. You can create a text box like this and type something. Let's edit it and go to insert shape. Let's make a lightning thunderbolt. Okay. Then for this, for every object or table you create, there will be a ribbon called formatting ribbon. So it will just auto go to the format ribbon, and you can just go to shape field and select a color here. I'll just select yellow and red as the outline, shape outline. So next thing is you can add a chart like in Excel. So you can I'll just add the column chart. Okay. So the main thing is you can feature this is you can edit the chart table in Excel. Yeah, you can just take a screenshot by clicking on the screen clipping button. So after that you can link and any document you want to this document here right here, or a space right here. So again you can just go to word art and the same thing that was in the home button, home tab. So let's go to the draw tab. You can just draw anything you want, just sign here. You can just erase it if you want. Next thing is let's dive right into the design tab. So this here is you can just select a heading and you can type it and make it a heading. So after that you can select any effect you want, any color. You can select any color. Let's go to mailings. You can just go to mailings tab and can merge this file as an email message, a directory, or an envelope. So review here, you can just go to editor and check the spellings and the grammar mistakes and the clarity here, punctuations, check them. Okay, so you can go to spelling and grammar and just check the grammar mistakes you have done, and go to word count and check the word counts that you have, the page numbers you have, characters, lines and all. So then if you want to translate something, you can click on translate and type something. So you can just select anything. Bienvenue so much on YouTube. So yeah, and you can just translate like that. And let's go to the fifth tab and you can select a layout that's called web layout, and you can just zoom the page right here and select multiple pages. You can see all of the pages you have done. So if you want to save your document after you finished it, go and press on the file tab and click on save as and click on browse and select destination on your PC and rename the file and set the document type and click on save. And that's it. So you've just completed our beginner's tutorial for Microsoft Word. With these basics under your belt, you're well on your way to creating professional documents, reports and more. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment with Word's features and tools. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.